What's up guys? Today is the day the WRX is finally gonna get loud. It's been quiet for too long and I finally got an exhaust. And it is the Tomei titanium exhaust. It is the single exit, you can see it right here. It's gonna look crazy and the blue tip is gonna look really good next to the blue on the WRX. So it's all gonna match. So we're here at the shop today. So we go ahead and pull this in and start getting the stock exhaust off. Alright guys, we got the car all jacked up. It's in the air now. There's plenty of room to work, and now we're gonna start taking this apart. I don't really know how to do it, so I'm just gonna start bolting stuff and I'll update you guys in just a little bit. Okay, so I barely thought of this before I started working on it. I'm gonna put some cardboard under the car so I can work on it. But before, I'm gonna get a few revs. Just with the stock exhaust real quick, just so you guys can have like a little before and after, so y'all can see the difference of the Tomei versus the stock exhaust. Oh, it's going. There it goes. All right, guys, Tomei's on. Now it's time to start it up. Alright, so we got the two huge mufflers off. This literally, just these probably weigh more than the Tomei itself, like the whole thing. But now we're gonna go, oh, it won't focus. Okay, so now I'm gonna go all the way down there, and there's two last ones, and it's held up by, I think, only one hanger. So we're gonna get that off, and I think I'm gonna start it up again just to hear what it sounds like, just straight piped. But yeah, let's start getting that one undone. Oh. Let's go. Alright, all the exhaust stuff is laying down on the ground right now, so I'm just gonna give it a little start up. Sounds nasty. All the stock exhaust stuff is off, so now we're gonna start unboxing the Tomei. This is what comes in the Tomei box. Right here we have the can, the fart can, we have all the pipes, and right here we have the clamps. I think this goes around this one, and it came with the silencer too and some stickers. So I'm gonna start unwrapping all this and I'll show you guys what they all look like. Everything is unboxed now. Here is how the Tomei is looking. So I'm gonna get into the car and start trying to put this together. There's like literally no videos on how to do this or instructions that come with it. So I'm just gonna attempt to figure it out. There's like a few bolts that come with it. So we're gonna see how this all goes. The Tomei exhaust is on. I'm sorry I didn't film much. There wasn't really much to film and you can't really get any good angles under the car. In a second I will put the phone under so you guys can see, because that's something like we had some trouble with. We didn't really know how everything went because there isn't any instructions. So I'll show you guys how mine is so that can help everyone out. But this looks crazy, and here's the Expreme logo right there. The exhaust is looking good. It's crazy to see it in real life. It looks way better than this, and I'm loving the single exit. So we got these. We got a license plate, a Tomei license plate cover, and some stickers. So I'm gonna throw these on before we start it up, get it looking good, and then yeah, let's put these on real quick. The Tomei license plate cover is on and the sticker, and I just got done wiping down the whole exhaust with some window spray. So now we're gonna do the first startup with the Tomei. Okay, here it is. That is how the exhaust sounds. So now I'm going to show you guys under the car so you can see kind of how the exhaust is set up. I haven't seen any of that on YouTube, and it's really hard to kind of find out. So this will kind of help you guys out if you guys do decide to get a Tomei. And then after, I'll be getting some sound clips. Okay guys, I came out here to an open road to come film some exhaust clips, but just look how good the Tomei made this car look. Like, it gave it like such an aggressive look. Like, I don't know, I'm super happy with it, and the sound is really nice. Alright, but we're gonna set up the camera and start getting some exhaust clips. Well guys, this is the end of the video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys are enjoying watching me slowly build a WRX and getting to see me put on this Tomei exhaust. But if you guys are enjoying the SUBIE videos, make sure to leave a like, comment down below, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.